Welcome, in front of me I have AMAZFIT Balance 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing upper or the lower button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. And here you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right on the screen. You can look for the watch face you like, and once you find one, you can tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also change the watch face through the settings. So if you're on the home screen, you can press the lower button to open the menu, find the settings icon. In settings, of course you need to tap on settings icon to enter the settings. In settings you need to find the option watch face and time. It's going to be at the top. Tap on it, then tap on watch face. It will open the watch face menu. You can scroll through the list, look for something you like, and then you can tap on the watch face you like to select it and apply it. And if your watch is paired with a phone, you can also use the ZEP application to change the watch face. So I'm gonna bring the phone that is paired with our watch. I'm gonna move this to the side a bit, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone, maybe a bit less. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the ZEP application. Actually, let me reopen it so you can see the home page. Okay, and once you open the app, you should see the home page. Then you can tap on device icon. Here you should see your balance too, and under it you will see the watch faces, and you can tap on the watch faces option. It will open the watch face store. If you want to just change the watch face, you can tap on mine, and here you have the list of watch faces installed on your watch, and you can tap on one to select it and apply it. But you can also download additional watch faces by tapping on watch faces, scrolling through the list, finding something you like, then tapping on sync. It will download the watch face and then sync it to your watch, and it should be applied after it's done, like this. Okay, and of course that watch face will also appear right here on the list of watch faces installed on your watch. And that's about it. That's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.